Cryptocurrency can be unpredictable, but what if you had a sign, a clear indicator of where things could head next? You may be interested to know that there is a potential surge in the crypto market of Dogecoin to $2. Recent market trends echo a prophetic dream that a trusted friend shared 4 months ago, indicating that Dogecoin would surpass $2. This dual confirmation from both the technical and spiritual is hard to ignore. My friend shared her dream with me on November 12, 2023. She saw Dogecoin in a short, quick race to $2, part of a short bull run before a collapse. This aligns with what I've expected and shared on this channel. A short bull run, then a crash, followed by a more significant, longer bull run than before. In her dream, Dogecoin was headed toward $2.50, but stopped short at $2.25. It was then necessary to immediately sell and take profits. Aligning dreams with data, let's look at how technical analysis supports this unexpected vision of Dogecoin's run. Last week, I came across a video from Sir Lewis that used technical analysis to examine Dogecoin's price history and identified an asymmetrical triangle pattern in its price chart. The video presented a case for Dogecoin experiencing a sudden price surge to $2 in the current bull run. Sir Lewis predicts that Dogecoin could reach around $2.40 based on the measured move technique. Finally, he shared his strategy for taking profits, suggesting viewers begin to take profits around $1.50 to $2. But please note, we are not financial advisors, this is not financial advice, and you are responsible for your investment decisions. With that out of the way, I'll share my expectation. I expect Doge to reach $2. Since my friend shared her dream with me, I've had sell limit orders for Doge at around that price. It's not every day that a prophetic dream echoes through the patterns of technical analysis. This rare alignment has caught my eye and should catch yours too. Dogecoin may be an appealing investment option if you're not in it already, as there is clear potential to 10x your investment in this bull run. Recently, I had a one-on-one call where I helped someone gain clarity on the wealth transfer and develop their exit strategy. Your plan and strategy should be unique to you. If you're looking to navigate these waves of uncertainty with someone who takes both spiritual insight and practical advice into account, let's connect. Book a one-on-one session with me by clicking the link on the screen or in the description. Let's tailor a strategy that resonates with your financial journey.